In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung A13 to LG Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a method that allows you to screen mirror your Samsung A13 directly to a Smart TV from LG. So for this method, we will be using a third-party application. As you might be aware, the main way to connect Samsung devices to a TV is going to be through SmartView. However, SmartView is not available for the A13. Sadly, these lines of budget phones from Samsung don't seem to have SmartView included. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative that works for the A13 specifically. If you notice that you swipe down from the top of your screen and your specific model does have SmartView, then use this instead. But assuming that you are indeed on the A13, then you will not have access to SmartView. What you can do instead of SmartView is to use an application like Google Home. So for this video, this is the app that I chose to showcase. There might be other applications that give you the function to screen mirror, but Google Home is the one that I chose. So you download the application from the Play Store, open it up, and then tap on Devices at the bottom. Now choose the option to add a new device. This will guide you through the process of adding a TV to the application. So you just choose to add a new TV, and you will get instructions. Usually, the TV and your phone have to be on the same network, and as long as they are on the same network in close proximity of each other, they will successfully connect. With this done, you will now be able to tap on the TV to see its name and details at the top, and at the bottom you will find Cast My Screen. So you just tap on the TV and then select Cast My Screen. With this done, you can confirm, and now anything that is playing on your A13's screen is going to be playing on your LG Smart TV. You will be able to control the volume, and this should work for other models as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung A13 to LG Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.